Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Xcover 5, and today I will show you how we can check battery information in the smartphone, how we can check capacity, how we can check temperature and other things. And the first, we have to use external applications, so we have to get them from Play Store. You have to tap on the search pool and let's type Ampere. We have to download on this application, so let's click install. Right now we can open that application, click agree, close, and tap on the OK in the right bottom corner. And we can scroll to the right side because we will get the older theme of this data. And as you can see, right now we can check the health of our battery, technology, maximum capacity, currently temperature, voltage, and we get also the charge rate and the manufacturer, model, Android version, and build ID. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.